So I'm here at Tottenham Green Leisure Centre today, seeing for myself the deep clean and some of the urgent repairs and maintenance work that is happening as we insource our leisure centres across the borough. We've got 3 sites that are coming back into Haringey Council's control today. So here at Tottenham Green, the one at Broadwater Farm and also Park Road Pools. We've already invested £50,000 at Park Road Pools to make sure that the diving boards are safe for residents to use there. And there'll be a whole range of maintenance and repair works that will be happening across all 3 sites over the next 6 months to make sure that all of our services are safe, clean and well maintained for you as our residents to come back to our leisure centres to use. This is just the start of the process. We've got a programme of work to take place over the next 6 months to make sure that all the services that we provide at our leisure centres are safe, well maintained and clean. You've already told us through the engagement, the work that we've done, where over 1,300 residents responded about what you want to see in your leisure services. We're going to be undertaking a whole range of engagement exercises in the future to understand what types of activities and classes that you'd like to be run out of your leisure centres, and I look forward to hearing from you.